welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back today. I want to show you how you are making this dish on our cook farm, in our chicken farm. Here you are seeing mixed dairy foray and kienyeji are inside here. Guys, let us talk about that thing happens in our cook farm, in our farming or chicks. Yeah, guys, today I want to say thank you very much for those who are watching my videos. I have more surprise for my subscribers, for those who subscribe, for those who comment, for those who support me, guys, for that chicken farm. And I'm so happy to say that every day. Guys, let us reach 100 subscribers. Well, not 100, 500 subscribers. That's what I want mostly. That's it. Yeah, that's what I need. And I have some kernel here. You see this one is for my chicks. Yeah, I have to put here so that I can pick when I'm going to vaccinate it. Yeah, vaccinate. But I love guys saying that. That's for a long time. A long time. I have not cured it. Yeah. It's around 3 months. I have not cured it, but I'm so happy. My chicks is very strong, very well. Is eating well, guys. If you're seeing, turn the camera, now eating, and the water is here. They are able to drink. Yeah, able to eat well. Yeah, but I have one problem because this chick farm. Let me turn the camera to me so that you're able to see me well when I'm talking. Guys, let us say thank you. Guys, I'm curing in my own. Yeah, I don't want the doctor. I have the medicine for curing my hands, my birds when he's sick. Yeah, I have the greens, yeah, that I'm going to give them after. I'll show you tomorrow. The next video, if you are watching me, I'll show you tomorrow. Yeah, I'm able to make it today, but tomorrow's video I'm able to show you. Yeah, for today let us talk about it. It's good to give them that curement after 3 months. Let me close that door. Able to this one and cross it. Yeah. There is no chicks inside here. Now they are big. They are able to walk downward here. The diseases are not here, guys. Yeah. Let us talk about this first before we continue. That greens is good, guys. And then the cabbage, sukuma wiki, the guava trees, that leaves of guava trees, and now this is the good current. Glasses and what? There are many glasses. One glass. There's another one here I forgot it. Glasses, sukuma wiki, cabbage, and another one for what? Another one is. But next video I'll be able to show you. I'm going to find it now in my bush outside there. But it's good to give them that thing. Yeah, good to give them. And I'm surprised but I'm going to make this one. Yeah, able to see. I'm going to find it after this one. Hey, okay, something. Yeah, this one. I'm going to make it. I'm going to find the electricity person to come and put for me here. Yeah, they want, I want light inside here so that my hands able to eat even when I'm sleeping here. Yeah. Guys, thank you for supporting. Thank you for supporting my channel, Edit Bosco. Thank you for supporting YouTube channel in our village. I really appreciate my people. I really appreciate those who come with these chicks farms in this area. Yeah, in our village. Yeah, but let me show you one thing here. This one, this one, able to put two spoons in water, 10 liters, 2 spoons, about right here. Let me show you this. And you make it, you put the 2 spoons in water, and they're able to drink that water. But you can't give them one by one. You put it in water, 10 liters. Yeah, able to drink, and I really appreciate for that. And onion is good. Onion, guys. Onion that we're using in our foods. Onion is the best. Onion is the best in our chicken. Onion is the best is the medical best one in our chicken farm. Yeah, you see, good. Let me show you. This really enjoying up here. They are enjoying because I am one who can remove it up here. But for today, let's talk about the decision of curing our hands. Yeah, that's what I have. That's what I want to. I'm talking about, guys. You have to make sure that hands are not affected with anything. Yeah, with anything, guys. With anything. Your hands must have the what, the something to encourage them to eat well, to have the air. But I found that I want to move them outside so that they can go and eat outside there, because of the food that I have is small. I have smaller quantity of food, and I have some, but the sahani here I bought outside there, I have already give them that I have already give them the first equipment for to find it in chicken. Yeah, is that one. Okay, we are seeing that right one. I'd buy them, but they are not. I don't want to join with another one here. I'll find alone. Alone now. Yeah, let me talk about myself also. Guys, if you're watching my video, please support me. I really appreciate. Please support me. I really appreciate for that. I really say God thank you. I really tell God every day thank you. I really tell my mom thank you also. Thank you, mom. Thank you, Dad. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for your comment up to now. I'm already 20 what? 23 years in this world. That's because of my mom, because of my dad, because of also my God. Yeah. Guys, I don't have much to say, but to say that thank you very much. Thank you for watching me. Bye bye. I love you guys. I love you so much. I love you so much, guys. I love you so much. For those who are watching me, I'm Edward Boke. Please consider subscribing my channel if you are new. Consider supporting me. Consider watching me. Consider sharing with the other people. Yeah. I really appreciate. I really say thank you very much. I really appreciate. I really watch your videos. Yeah, please do this. Please write something in my videos if I'm doing wrong, if I'm saying wrong. Yeah, please write it now. That this I'm going to post that video. Please like it, comment, share, comment, also comment, share to other people. But my camera is not good. I turn my phone so that if you're not seeing me well, please say it. I'll be able to answer you. Please, yeah. Please, thank you very much. Bye bye. I love you, my guys. I love you, my moms. Love you for those watching my videos. Bye bye. I really appreciate.